Hi guys, today we have this family which go on a road trip. This is going to be the series with all of the parts in it. So this is part. Let's just woke up. Oh my god, hello? Yes, we'll be there right away. What? You can't fit us in. They really want to go on this trip. We'll try our best to try and squeeze in. Is that okay? Yay, I'll go tell him right now. I'll put you on a not voice. Kids, wake up! What? What is it? Ow. I'm okay. What is it? Guess what? What? You're both going back to school today. They said you have to squeeze them, but you get to go back to school. Yay! Oh my god. Oh, that is disgusting. I'm never going back. I'm never going back to that place. You'll never make me. Yes, you are, mister. Fine, I'll go. Not fine. You will if you are or not. No. Let's go have a fun time at school, won't we? I just hope it goes over. At school. Oh my god. We are finally at school. Oh my god. We're finally at school. Oh. I don't go to his school. So, class, what is this? Beep, 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 beep. A fire drill! Ah! Everyone line up. Get all your stuff, everyone. Do as much as you can, in case there's a real fire bell. It might be real or it might just be a test, but everyone get your stuff onto my table. Don't worry, everything you put on here turns fireproof, so put everything. It's all my stuff on it. Okay, everyone gather your stuff. It's a real fire. Because when it goes automatically, it means there's a real fire. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Run up. A real fire though. Everyone get home. I'm sorry that it's your first day, but everyone get your parents. They didn't even get to do their thing. Oh no, it's a real fire. Oh my god. It's in the universe, in the high school classes, which were at ours. Everyone, a lot of the high school kids are coming, so come sit around here. we'll have to do it, and the fire can't go out until day 15 of school. So you're gonna have to sleep here. We're having to go. Yes, we have to take you to boarding school. Even though we're not your parents, we have to tell your parents that we're taking you to boarding school. Because there was a fire and you have to stay for about 50 or 15 days. What? Everyone stay around here. The high school kids are coming. Everyone come along. First, Brittany. Why is there a fire in ours? Next up, Jade. Next, Jaden. Next, Allie. Allie, come on. Are you okay, Allie? When I see fires, it makes me cry. Oh. Anyway, we'll go for Jack. I'm here. Why's she crying? When she sees fires, it makes her cry. We'll make sure there's more room for the next 5 kids. Or 10 or 15. When you see fire, let's get the next 10 kids in. Next, Ava. I'm through the door with my paints. I had them in my hand when the fire started. Next up, Jay. I'm here. Next up, Josh. I'm sorry for making your name. Josh, I know you're my teacher's pet. Next up, Avery. Sister, Emma. Emma, come on. I can't believe we're going in with all the university kids. Next up, Jay. You're the only one that wears that uniform, Jay. Next up, Ava. I'm here. And last one, Ava. Ava's sister, Avimara. Come on, Avimara. Yes. Everyone. These are the high school kids. Everyone. So guys, be careful. This is the teacher. So next, first student is her. Brittany. So, sorry for misnaming you. So I'm doing the ones that's going, I'll say in a sec, 2 at high school ones, 2 at the universities. And next I've got Adam. Go sit down, Adam. Next we've got Avery. Sorry if I misnamed you. I'm scared of fires! What is that supposed to mean? Sweetie, I get scared when I see fires. Calm down. I will go they can see me. Hi, I'm the actual teacher. What's Principal Emma? Emma, oh, I'll get her in a sec. At the end of the line, that's Jack. The most famous kid is right. That just went past, yeah. Oh my god, I want to date Jack so bad. That's it, Lily. Sorry guys, when I forget names, I'm just gonna call them random names. Sorry if I get them right. Just don't mind. Next we've got Aiden. He's the most always this person in the whole class. He's been laughing at people when they fall off their seats. Hey, you're crying. Oh, you mess with someone that's my friend. Oh, just let me handle him. Take your head off. Then everyone's gonna make fun of you because you're bald, little weenie. If you bowl my friends, I'll bully you. Oh, he's so loving to me. Ha 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 ha. You're a little weenie if you cry about it. But I'm going my mommy. You still say mommy instead of mom. Weird. Haha. Oh, you're the sweet one. I get the teacher. I'm the most intelligent people in the world, eh? Is that how you wanted to finish it? I'll just write a note for your for Miss. Okay, I'm gonna write you a note on here, and then they're gonna get mad at him. He bullied me because I'm bald. He didn't. Jack! He's such my little bad boy. Lily! Principal. And it's the university one that gives the grades to the university people. Oh, what did you do? I laughed at someone. I called him my little bad boy. Let's go wait in my office. Oh, my little teacher's pet. Come on, just stand there or sit down wherever you want. You won't even get a seating plan. So I can even get a random chair and sit in it. Yeah. You can take mine if you want. This is the teacher's pet. Go on. Teacher's pet is great. Next of my kids, make sure no one be as bad. Okay? If she does, just shout. If they do, just shout. Next we have Ava. Come on, Ava. Sit there. The fire was so scary! Wait. I want to tell you something, miss. He made fun of her over there. You mean Allie? No, Emmy, I mean. Yeah, Emmy, because she was crying about the fire. Oh, then you don't have to go in. He does. What? I'm very intelligent. It's not fair. You're disgusting. Bad. Go to principal's office now. Oh, maybe I won't. Next we've got Just let me ever see it. Don't even have to make sense for a seat. So it can just be anywhere. This is Moonlight. Why is it in university? It's my old iPad that I brought in. Well, you can have it back now. It's been a long time. Yay. That is so funny. Next I have Aiden, which is my most smart kid in the class. I better not go to boarding school. I don't want to. I'm the most intelligent person in the world. That's Avimira. I'm sorry to say. But that boy that's frowning is actually Simon. Simon! Now you go send the principal. I'm dragging you. You'll get it someday. Why is he in here? Yes, he was me. I said goodbye. Now you definitely aren't getting your VIP passes. I will get your moms. I know their moms. I can get them. Can you call on the computer? Yes, I can. So hi, yes. Yes, I'm on a double call. Cause is your daughter allowed to date? I know she's dating, yes. She just caught someone with her bad boyfriend wants to date him. So, can you speak to her? Yeah, thanks. Mom, I'm sorry. You'll never let me date anyone. That's fine. That's fine as long as I can still date him. No, I am dating him, if you like it or not, and I'm never going back. I've only gotten an F today on my high school report card. Want me to show it to you? It's in my hand. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna have to go to boarding school. Bye, Mom. Yes, your son's being mean. Bye, Mom. I'll get lined up. We'll call everyone for boarding school that needs to do it. In a sec. Mom, I bowled someone. Hee hee. You're going to boarding school, aren't you? No, I got a B. A married report card. What? I need no A's? You're not going to boarding school? Fine. Everyone, if I say your name, you have to go to boarding school. And your adult will say it too. I'll say one of mine, she'll say one of hers. Come on. So, his mom said all A's to not going to boarding school. Jake. We should throw it in the bin. So, line up at your teacher. Next of mine, I think it was Olivia. But I studied hard on my tests. Clearly, I should have gotten an A, not an F. I can't believe you did this. Why would you have to, miss? I don't want to peek out of your mouth. My next one is, I think, any who tried to date someone, and that's why you got it, because you got a D on your test because you wouldn't pay attention. You'd only look at him. And I've got another too, and I've got another 3. I've got Aladdin. Oh, come on. Jaden. I work hard. You gave me a B yesterday. No, I'll call my over too. And you can call your over too. Yeah, I've got mine. And Ava. Oh, come on. And I've got Avimira. And Lily. What was said in for you to boarding school? It's not you for at the back. No. We swap with the boy and no, not the boy. I didn't swap with. Don't swap. Ava, swap with a boy in your line. We're going to boarding school. Oh my god. I study hard. No, it's not for you. Ava, you don't go. Oh, for you, we're bringing you to boarding school. Pack everything. I've already got all my stuff. I'll pack all my stuff immediately. I'll bring my schools, my treasure that I found. Yeah, I used this to find it. No, I'll just get my bucket from in here. Oh, this is all my smart stuff. I'll hold this and get this. I'm ready. Okay, mine as well, you know. This side is mine, so. He said he stole my pen. Always you'll bring your stuff back and feel much better that you got new grades, and then more people will go. At boarding school, finally I decorated with my last touches. I wonder how he's gonna do. I'll just call. Oh yeah, I left my backpack here from when I was a kid. I left it. I can pack all my stuff in it though. I forgot to wear my other backpack, my older stuff. I decorated all that. I'm just waiting for him by looking at my computer. 5 messages from my mom. One says, why were you even in boarding school? I don't know that question. Number 2, I want you home right now. I've got a surprise. I want to go home, even though I've just gotten here and I'm the first one here, but I want to go home. 3rd question. Make sure you get to A's or B's when you come back. So easy. 4th question. Your sister has just gone into a coma. Just tell your teacher she's in a coma when everyone gets there, and she might let you out and get someone else. No way. She just said if they're in a coma, you can just bring them. And this one, oh my god, I'm so sorry for my video. 5th one is just ask them to come home. If they say no, say your mom is gonna sue you if you don't. Okay, let's just wait for my friend. I'm here. Well, finally, my mom said my sister's in a coma. Oh, what? A coma. I feel bad. Me too. We have to stay for longer, the teacher said. If we're older, we have to stay longer. I'm a bit older than you, so I have to stay longer. We'll always miss you when you have to go. I made a fan license. I just can't believe my sister's in a coma. Oh my god, I just thought of something. Why don't you call your mom? Oh yeah, I call her on my ring thing. Ring Mother Anna. Ringing Mother.
Ring, 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 on support.
Hey Mom. What? Yeah, I'm gonna ask when everyone's here. I've only got one person with me right now. Yeah, I'll ask soon as the 3rd and 4th person come. They're gonna come together, so it will be easy. They'll be coming in 1 minute. Yeah, I promise. I've got all of my stuff. I hope they let me go. We're finally here. Yeah, I'm finally decorated. Let me put my effort. Yeah, this is my life. You crumbled it up. Why? I don't want anyone to see it. We have to go to boarding school, so what's the point? The point is, I didn't bring a canvas. That's the point. I'm gonna just go to sleep. What's her name? 1A. So she's got the 1A one. No, that's just cups and stuff. Oops. 1A. I'm to steal her ramen. I accidentally opened it. Oh my god. I'll say that I want to cook her ramen. Oh, I'll just cook it. That's some ramen? Yeah. I'll just sit at the table ready. Oh, that's for the first day here. It is our first day. No, it's afternoon. Oh, I'll just wait playing my guitar. I'm making your ramen now. I've got a quick secret for you guys before we continue. It says new pets. What's that? And what? That's a cupboard full of pets. Let's get back to it. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'll get a bowl to put it in. You want it on a plate? Yes, please. It's ready. Coming. How to get our girlfriend. First, beep, 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 beep. Next is beep, 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 beep. Third is beep, 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 beep. Fourth is beep, 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 beep. Fifth is, and this is the final one, it is okay, then I'll press it with my skill. Oh yeah, that's the final one. I press it with your skill. Hey, you pretty girl. I want to beep. And beep. And I love your beep. I want you to be my girlfriend. Beep. You can't do something. I already have someone I have a crush on. He's not here. But I can have another boyfriend. You can be my first one and I can date him. He's gonna get married to me. And you can be my boyfriend. A few in my set soon. You will. Okay. It's my boy. Flashback when they were last Kira's kid. One huge stuff hair, by the way. You hit your head in the wall. Stop it. I'm bleeding. Don't mess with my friends. He's bleeding. Can't you see that? Yeah, that's why I'm laughing. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Just tell me what happened. Fine. I go rejected by her over there. Of course you would. Locks the door. I just put this lock on it. There. It's only a 2 code. No one knows it. I hope you enjoyed it. But I'll make a part 2. Bye.